Kamusta guys? Ito na naman tayo at muli nagbabalik para sa isa na naman reaction video sa paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm. Ito yung kanilang bagong upload ngayon na kanta ng Firehouse. Yung pinamagatang Here For You. Ayan, napakagandang awitin nito guys. Sama-sama tayong manood, makinig at mag-react. Unang pasok pa lang, napakaswabe na ng plucking ni Chen.
So you think you got it all figured out? Wow! But you know you can't make it alone. Everybody needs somebody to help them out. And you know I can be that someone.
Bibilib ka rin talaga dito kay Char, no? Napakarami niyang alam na genre ng kanta.
And if you ever get lost on lost highway, don't know where to go, there's just one thing that I want you to know. I
Basta
am here
boses.
for you. Wow! Always here for you. When you need a shoulder to cry on, someone want to rely on.
Sarap pakinggan ng second voice ni Chen, ano? Match na match yung boses nila ni Char.
I am here for you.
Ba, may adlib na. Sarap pakinggan. Napaka-smooth.
So you think that love is long overdue, tired of looking for someone to care.
Nice.
Let me tell you now.
Lahat sila dito, yung tunog ng instrumento nila, ano lang, smooth lang. Wala ka masyadong maririnig na mga guitar effects. Parang tunog acoustic lang sila dito.
Good choice is up to you, but you know I will always be there. I am here for you. Wow.
Parang bihira na gamitin ni Dudes yung electric drums niya, no? Laging acoustic drums na tong gamit nila.
Always here for you. When you needed someone to hold you, remember I told you I am here for you.
Ilan ba yung members ng bandang Firehouse? Ayan, i-comment nyo nga guys sa mga nakakaalam.
I'm here for you.
Ayan na, nag-distortion na si Chen. Yung guitar solo. Walang kasabit-sabit, no? Grabe. Husay talaga ni Chen.
So now you
Gusto ko yun, yung bassline ni Tatay Franz. Ang sarap pakinggan, no? Ano ba tawag doon? Parang scale din siya.
got it all figured out, and you know you found someone that cares. And if you ever need somebody to help you out, well, you know I will always be there. And if you ever get lost,
Ba talaga yung quality ng boses ni Char? Parang ano parang yung style niya parang hindi Pinoy, no?
I'm lost, I wait, don't know where to go. There's this one thing that I want you to know. I am here
Ganda ng bagsakan na yun, no?
for you. Always here for you.
Husay talaga nila pipili ng i-cover. Bagay na bagay sa boses ni Char itong napili niyang kanta.
Lion, I am here for you.
Si Dudes parang bihira siya sumama sa harmony, no? Ang madalas lang talaga si Tatay Fran, si Char, si Chen. Yung boses nila ang lagi ko naririnig pagka may mga harmony na part. Husay. Walang kakupas-kupas talaga. Ang Banda Franz Rhythm. Isa na namang malupit na cover song ang ating napanood mula sa bandang Franz Rhythm, guys. Sa mga bago pa lang na nakapanood sa kanila, ito yung kanilang channel and subscribe nyo, guys. At panoorin nyo yung kanilang mga cover song, original song. At mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa ating munting channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating i-upload. Paano? Hanggang dito na muna. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction video.